What's up, guys? Here with another video. We're at my house because pressure washer won't work at the garage, and we gotta spray my rims.
Yep.
Get all that plasti-dip off because I didn't do enough coats, so it's not peeling correctly. It's gonna take hours if I do it by hand. So.
And we're definitely not doing it by hand.
Yeah, no. We're gonna try to get that done, taken care of, get them all cleaned up to their original color, so then I can spray them again today. Let's get started.
Got Jonah setting up the pressure washer over here. Yeah, it took probably about an hour to do that. It's great not doing that.
It doesn't even want to come off. Still.
Yeah.
Still being a bitch.
Oh, it's definitely a lot easier than sitting there.
And sitting there feeling it?
Yeah.
Since I could hold my head up high, now I know I can't take it anymore. 'Cause I'm feeling that I'm lost inside, trying to get over you. Hold my head up high. Now I know I can't take it anymore. 'Cause I'm feeling that I'm lost inside, trying to get over you. Over you, over you.
Alright, so we're just finishing up cleaning the rims. Just getting the remaining plasti-dip off. We found that brake cleaner really works well for this. I mean, if you're taking off a whole wheel, I wouldn't use brake cleaner. I wouldn't suggest it.
Suggest a pressure washer, but be careful.
Yeah, so they sell this stuff called dip dissolver, and that would probably be ideal, but we didn't have 2 days to get it here because they're located in Florida, and yeah, we're not in Florida. Yeah, the dip dissolver works really well, but you do have to use that with a pressure washer. Just make sure if you do use a pressure washer, keep it far away from your rims.
It will peel your clear coat.
It will peel your clear coat. You don't want that. We're just going to be taping off the pieces that we don't want to plasti-dip, and then we're going to be applying probably about 5-6 coats of plasti-dip and some glossifier as well. So we're going to put a little bit of simple green on the towel, wipe off the rims, just kind of prep it, get all the grease and whatever else may be on there to contaminate the plasti-dip. I'm going to get that off all there and then finish taping these up and get it ready to go. So Jonah's using the back to black for his front bumper piece. It's faded. So that's what that looks like now. Looks like a brand new piece of plastic. Jonah's applying back to black to the rest of his car now. All the black plastic.
Anything black, it's back to black.
Alright, so we're putting the glossifier on. Starting to look good. Nice even coverage. Nice wet coats. Alright, so we're going to leave. And tires popped. Done. Good thing it happened to one here at the warehouse, so we'll be able to fix this real quick. Alright guys, just finished up the rims, and I think they look pretty damn good.
They look a lot better than they did.
Yeah.
I'm very proud of our work.
So let us know what you think in the comments below. Just again, we used plasti-dip and glossifier, so that's how we got the look on these guys, and just take a look.
You stole my heart of gold after my silver soul. Can you dig any deeper now? I gave you all I own, put you on this golden throne, but I'm a little stronger now. You cashed in on my promises, you know I'm too generous. Now I've learned to never help you out, 'cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets. I've become a little stronger now. too generous.